Hello everyone. As we are moving towards technology and softwares for smart working, here we are with new software exclusively for Art India employees. Here is a quick tutorial how to use it. Let's start. So you all have an icon on your desktop called Employee Information Portal on your server screen or desktop. When you will click on it, this screen will open. This will ask you your employee code, so you need to put it in both the column username and password. Your employee code will work for both. Now you will land on employee information portal main page. Here you will see we have banners here, and most important, our company's vision, mission and values. When you drag a little, you see two sections: office gossip and birthday bash. Office gossip will have all the announcements from the company or any new policy made by Art India. At birthday bash, here we will able to see birthday of employee on present day. When we go down a little, we will see our participation and awards. Let's see navigation bar. We have home, leave form, vehicle booking, yellow pages, gallery, HR policies, workforce, about us and logout. Let's start with leave form, which is one of the important part of this. When you will click on it, you will land on dashboard of Art India Employee Leave Management System. Here, some of our employee already recovered their password, but those who haven't done it yet, for them, we'll click on Employee Password Recovery. Here, we will put employee ID and official email ID. When we will click sign in, it will ask for password recovery. Then again, you will put employee ID, email ID and your password, which needs to be changed by you. Once the password has been successfully changed, you need to click on employee login, and you can log in with your email and password. As you click sign in, you will land on your dashboard of leave application portal. Here you will see which type of leave you need to apply for, from date and to date, with description. Here let's fill it up. Let's put it casual leave. Let's put date, then to date and description. Let's put it family function as a reason and description. And let's press apply now. Here you will see your leave is successfully applied. There are many more features here. You will see your profile. You can change information of your birth, address, email, official mobile number, city, etc. You can update it from here. You can apply for leave. You can check the leave history of yourself, that how many leaves you have applied for and how many have been approved or waiting for approval, and you can sign out from here. Then again we'll go to home page of the EIP. Now we'll click on vehicle booking. When we click on it, we will land on book your transportation here page. Here we can book any sort of transportation for official use, like if you have to receive any client. Let's see how it works. We'll enter our name, then department, official email address, phone number, reason why we need a car or a bike. Let's enter for photo shoot. Then we'll select which type of car you need. It's a carrier van or Innova or whatever you need. Then a time slot you will select from this time to that time, and a date on which date you need this vehicle. Here you can put a special request so that a person who will manage this will get it, and he will arrange accordingly and will press send message. Now you will see it says submitting, and we have a message here, thank you for contacting us, we will touch shortly. So you will receive a message or a token number at your mail ID, and the person who will manage it also receive your request, and he will contact you shortly as he receives. Let's go back to the home page again, and here let's check out the yellow pages. As we know, yellow pages is a directory, so here we'll see the extension numbers, email IDs, and official phone numbers. Now we'll go back. We'll see gallery. There are two parts, Diwali party and pizza party. Let's click on pizza party. We'll see a photographs, a moments of that party. So you easily access the photographs from here to see the events. Now you will see there is an interesting option called workforce. Here you will see all the departments. So let's see how and what it works. Let's see the sales team. When you click on it, you will able to see about them, and it is quite funny, and it says all about them, about their nature and how they work, where they work. Same with the design team, we can see that the people of design team. Now we'll go and see about us. We'll able to educate us about the company, like from where it started, how it started, and what we do. That's all for here. Thank you.